Hello friends, back to again with me Sylvia Nurhayati Boru Tampu Bolon, NIM 32124210002, Regular B 2020, State University of Medan, Faculty of Social Science, Department of History Education. Currently in the English History course with the lecture Mem Apriani Harahap SPD MA, I will discuss tenses. Okay friends, let's start our discussion about tenses. The first, I will explain the meaning of tenses. Tenses, it means di dalam bahasa Indonesia dikatakan adalah hal yang sangat penting dan mendasar ketika mempelajari bahasa Inggris. Tenses pada umumnya digunakan untuk membentuk sebuah kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris berdasarkan waktu kejadian atau peristiwa berlangsung. Dengan kata lain, tenses memiliki kaitan yang sangat erat dengan waktu suatu kejadian. Suatu peristiwa atau kejadian bisa berlangsung di masa lampau atau the past, saat ini atau the present, dan di masa mendatang atau the future. Baiklah teman-teman, the first kita akan bahas simple present tense. Simple present tense digunakan ketika mengungkapkan fakta, kebenaran, dan kebiasaan. Maka tidak membutuhkan referensi waktu, sehingga kata kerja yang digunakan adalah bentuk infinitive. Adapun formula dalam simple present tense sebagai berikut. Positive sentence, subject plus verb 1, I or S or to be is MR plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus do does not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative sentence, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus interrogative. Example sentence, positive sentence, I go to school every day. Negative sentence, I don't go to school every day. Interrogative sentence, do you go to school every day? Demikianlah penjelasan mengenai simple present tense. The second, kita akan bahas mengenai present continuous tense. Present continuous tense biasa digunakan untuk menyatakan hal yang sedang dilakukan atau sedang terjadi di masa sekarang. Adapun formula present continuous tense sebagai berikut. Positive sentence, subject plus to be is MR plus verb ing. Negative sentence, subject plus to be is MR plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative sentence, to be is MR plus subject plus verb ing plus interrogative. Example sentence, positive sentence, Rani is writing a letter. Negative sentence, Rani isn't writing a letter. Interrogative sentence, is Rani writing a letter? Demikianlah penjelasan present continuous tense. Selanjutnya kita akan membahas mengenai simple past tense. Simple past tense digunakan untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau kejadian yang terjadi di masa lalu. Biasanya waktunya lebih spesifik. Adapun formula yang digunakan dalam simple past tense sebagai berikut. Positive sentence, subject plus verb 2. Negative sentence, subject plus denote plus verb 1. Interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus verb 1 plus interrogative. Example sentence, positive sentence, Benny washed his car yesterday. Negative sentence, Benny did not wash his car yesterday. Interrogative sentence, did Benny wash his car yesterday? Saat ini kita masuk ke pembahasan past continuous tense. Past continuous tense digunakan ketika kita berbicara tentang kejadian atau kegiatan yang sedang terjadi di masa lalu, biasanya waktunya pun lebih spesifik. Adapun formula past continuous tense adalah sebagai berikut. Positive sentence, subject plus was or were plus verb ing. Negative sentence, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing. Interrogative sentence, was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus interrogative. Demikianlah penjelasan past continuous tense. Delak, saya akan membahas mengenai present perfect tense. Present perfect tense digunakan ketika kita menyatakan kejadian atau kegiatan yang sudah terjadi di masa sekarang. Adapun formula dalam present perfect tense adalah sebagai berikut. Positive sentence, subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Negative sentence, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb 3. Interrogative sentence, has or have plus subject plus verb 3 plus interrogative. Example, positive sentence, I have eaten. Negative sentence, I have not eaten yet. Interrogative sentence, have you eaten? Okay friends, thus the explanation about some tenses that I have outlined. My material is finished. That's the English material that I convey. If there is a word error during my video, I am sorry for that. I close this video, and for the attention of my friends, thank you. See you in my next video. See you, bye bye.